Jason here, California Flooring. So we just got done on Friday. We let this pretty much cure for the weekend. But I have a 12-footer here, which a lot of people don't have. I also got a 10-footer back there. I mean, look at the beautiful color of this Mafe Ultra Plant. You can see it's perfectly mixed and perfectly poured. Our ratio, our water to the product ratio is just spot on. I mean, we got this down, but look at the beauty of this. I mean, this is a 12-foot straight edge. We're gonna be putting luxury vinyl in this house upstairs and downstairs. And as you know, I don't do a project unless we pour the whole house. I don't do spot pours, I don't play that game. The whole thing, okay? 10-footer, beautiful, right? You can see how beautiful that is. That's what's up. That's what it's got to be. So if you're installing these products, it doesn't matter the product to us. We'll take any product, although we don't like anything under 6mm, but we'll take any product, any locking mechanism, we don't care. We'll make it, we'll install it and have success. You know why? Because we get this substrate super flat, countertop flat, okay? We're gonna put a 6mm poly over this. We're gonna leave our proper expansion gaps around the whole place, everything, and we'll have success. That's it. And you can see here, I got my nice little Train X here. I'm hitting 3.4, so we're liking that. 3.1, so I'm okay with all that, no problem. But if you want success with these products, that's it, that's the secret. Or don't do the job, period.